Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these LaraBars. These are blueberry, and they're on sale. I got them at local grocery store, and we're gonna, actually, there you go. If you guys want to read, they are gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, and if you want to read the ingredients, they're right here. Pause the video if you want to read the ingredients. So it has blueberry powder and vanilla, so I'm kind of excited to try these out. And they're made of cashew and dates, so and when you open the package, you get this. That's what they look like right there. Good. Alright, let's do a quick taste test, see how they are. Okay, so that's what they look like when you open them up. As you can see, got some dark. I don't get the hint of, when I smell it, I don't smell blueberries though. I just smell more the cashews and dates, so let's do a quick taste test now. Okay. So when you bite into it, it's soft, it's chewy. You only get the hint, a very subtle hint of the aroma of blueberries. You mainly taste the cashews and the dates. And vanilla, I don't really taste too much of either. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.